first guy. I mean, sometimes you watch him run and you really got to take a hard look and say, who was that? Because he finishes runs a lot like what Adrian Peterson does.
Bless you.
Still smiling. 8 play to drive.
The boy tired.
And he's picked off. That's Vilma.
Bless you.
Favre needs help getting off the field. Jonathan Vilma comes up with the interception. Saints have it.